5 minutes in. You bringing your whole pack?
Yeah. What's up, pack of trash? And welcome to another episode in We're Looking at Waterfalls and Hiking Mountains. Today we're back with Matt, who is once again taking us for a walk. You know, Great Danes need a lot of fresh air and water. This is Looking Glass Waterfall over here. And later we're gonna go and hike Looking Glass Rock, which should be a big piece of granite. And we're very much looking forward to doing that as well. Follow along.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song.
So don't move the rocks. You destroy the political system of the fish. They have a mayor fish, a politician fish. So don't you dare. So I just wanted to tell you guys that Matt is also known as Colors.
Colors!
Because of his beautiful, colorful
Tattoos.
arms. Mostly because of the tattoos as well. Oh yeah, his personality too.
So colorful.
He is doing trail magic. And where are you doing it?
Do it from Spivey Gap to Sam's Gap. This is the second year, and since things aren't as planned, I'm doing this to help anyone out, including you guys.
As I told you in the last video, he's doing a new kind of trail magic where he takes people on weird walks. At least we're lucky enough to do it. So if you're lucky enough to meet Colors out there, remember to say hi from us. This is kind of weird because he's in this video right now. You can say hi from himself to himself. That's weird.
Hi, Self.
And this is his hiker trash mobile, right?
Yeah, the Honda Element.
The Honda Element. So if you see...
11 people in there last year.
Oh, wow, 11 people's been in this already. And that's not even counting the hikers. Yeah, so if you're lucky enough to see this car with this beautiful man up here, you should count your blessings, because he's gonna feed you and charge you.
That's what I do, baby.
That's what you do, baby.
That's what I do.
And now, we're gonna hike up to Looking Glass Rock.
Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good.
This is where the helicopter comes if someone on the mountain is in need. We use these to send smoke signals to the helicopter so it knows when something is wrong.
Just to
Right.
be about your lips.
If you say so.
Tell them all to sail away. Just to see you every day. Oh my, oh my,
This is awesome.
days. Life is wonderful.
This is
Wonderful.
Looking Glass Rock. How did you like that hike?
It was good. I really enjoyed it. 5 stars.
That life can be this good. If I lived 1,000 lives, I'd spend them all with you beside.
I mean, if this isn't social distancing, I do not know the meaning of that word. Because this is pretty much away from everything. We are on our way down from Looking Glass Rock, which was amazing. It was so beautiful and also
A
gave...
little bit anxious.
Yeah, we gave us a lot of anxiety because it was a really slippery rock with just a complete 90 degrees fall. We're going to Sliding Rock, where you can apparently slide off a rock, which is pretty much what it's also called. I'm great at this YouTube thing, can you hear that? I do a lot of editing. And so hopefully it's warm enough for us to get in there. Well, I'll see you there. So here we are at the Sliding Rock Recreation Area. We're just gonna go check out the rocks before we maybe get in our bathing suits and go for a cold ride down the rocks. But I do not promise that this is gonna happen. Let's see.
found. Don't be discouraged, don't shy away, 'cause you know you're supposed to shine.
Oh my
There's
God.
nothing that can stop you if you just keep believing, just keep
This is
the
so
faith.
cold.
You'll see everything's about to change. Yeah. It's the start of a brand new day.
I really don't want to do this.
Start of a brand new day. No matter what you're going through, be sure I am there with you. I know you can make it, I know you'll succeed. And you're standing on the precipice. Take a leap of faith 'cause you won't miss. Work up the courage, you're one step from taking flight. Everything's gonna be alright, yeah. Start of a brand new day. It's the start of a brand new day.
It's definitely the craziest thing we've done while being here yet. But that was so awesome, don't you think? This was insane. Goddamn, I feel alive.
Someone's trying to break it down.
Yeah.
Don't be discouraged, no.
Oh, it's still cold though. Remember that.
Grab your friends, find your enemies and make amends, and we'll meet in the middle. Take the pride.
Thank you for watching another day of us exploring Pisgah National Forest. Really, really cool. Get it? Cool. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe and go watch some of the other videos as well. And also, that's it. Have a nice day. Happy hiking, everybody.